What are you doing?
Is this comfy? Ooh. Do you like it? Yeah, undizzy. Undo it. Undo it.
Poor baby.
Uh-oh. Too much. Too much. You gotta go back the other way. You gotta undo it.
Poor baby.
Oh yeah, she looks miserable.
Poor baby. What are you doing?
You're just relaxing, Mama.
You're so silly.
Enjoying the ride. Woo. Why do you... This is the stillest I've seen her.
Okay, maybe we should stop.
Why?
I don't want to get too dizzy. I know, she wants to keep going. Excuse me.